Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we uncover the truth behind online products and help you avoid scams. Today, we're reviewing Flex Focus Glasses, a product that claims to give you a customizable and adaptable visual experience with features like adaptive lens technology, flexible frames, custom prescription options, and seamless transitions. But the big question is, are these glasses legit or just another overhyped product? Let's investigate. According to the website and ads, these glasses are supposed to offer adaptive lens technology that adjusts to your vision needs, flexible frames that bend without breaking, customizable prescription options tailored to your vision, seamless transition from day to night, bright to low light, advanced manufacturing for better durability and comfort. Sounds impressive, right? But do these claims hold up in real life? Let's break down each claim. 1. Adaptive lens technology. Many products online boast adaptive lenses, but true adaptive medical-grade technology requires FDA approval or clinical testing. We didn't find any clear evidence that these glasses use actual adaptive lenses backed by medical testing or certifications. 2. Flexible frames. Flexible frames are not uncommon. Several reputable eyewear brands sell frames that bend. However, the term flexible is often used loosely. Without material specs or independent reviews, we can't confirm long-term durability. Customizable prescription. This is a big claim, but many websites require you to upload your prescription after ordering. That's risky because if the glasses don't match your exact vision needs, returns can be difficult or expensive. Seamless transition. Some lenses transition between light conditions. These are usually called photochromic lenses. Legit versions come from trusted optical brands, not generic budget products. 5. Advanced manufacturing. Pretty much every online retailer uses buzzwords like advanced or innovative, but without transparent manufacturing details, this claim doesn't prove quality. Now let's talk about real user reviews. Many reviewers online are mixed. Some say the glasses look stylish, but don't perform as advertised. Others report poor optical clarity or frames that feel cheap. There are also complaints about confusing return processes and slow customer support. If most positive reviews don't include actual photos or specific prescription results, they might be promotional or fake. Plus, a product that claims professional optical performance but lacks verified optical certifications, user testimonials with proof, or unbiased third-party reviews is always worth questioning. So, Flex Focus Glasses, legit product or overhyped eyewear? Based on vague technical claims, lack of transparent medical or optical certifications, mixed customer experiences, no strong evidence of adaptive lens performance, our conclusion is, this product seems overhyped, and it may not deliver what it promises. That doesn't necessarily mean it's a complete scam, but it's definitely risky and not proven enough to confidently recommend. Thank you.